Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting, fun-filled episode of Cross Street Classics. We are at a nice benchmark spot in our build here for our 65 Mustang. We are getting ready to put the engine and transmission in. Our last video we got it all together, painted, and partially assembled for installation. Got the cross member on the transmission just kind of hanging there. Yeah, what we're going to do, we're going to try something a little unorthodox. We're going to set the car down over top of the engine. I don't see a problem with it. So we're going to give it a shot here and get it in the car. So let's go.